Yuzu, a citrus indigenous to East Asia, has the fragrance like no other. I personally consider yuzu as winter gift. These vibrant yellow fruits come in season when it's the coldest and darkest. Let's make Yuzu Tea Base in which you can enjoy the aroma and flavor at its best. You only need 3 ingredients, some ripe yuzu, little bit of salt, and honey. Okay, this is how you make it. Wash the whole yuzu with salt. Rinse away any residue of salt and pat dry. Cut yuzu into quarters and remove meat from rind. You can do this by hand. And squeeze the juice from meat. Get as much of juice as possible. And slice the rind very thinly and fill in the jar. Add honey or sugar. I keep the honey to juice ratio to about 1:1. Pour juice minus the seeds. Close the cap and give the jar a good shake. Keep it in the fridge and it's ready to eat or drink in about 2 hours. This is best consumed within about 2 weeks. To make yuzu tea, just dissolve some yuzu tea base into hot water. If you prefer a cold drink, add the tea base into sparkling water and some ice. You can also use the yuzu tea base to make a quick dessert. Add a spoonful of the base into cream and mix well. The acidity of yuzu tea base curdles cream, creating fresh cheese-like deliciousness. Enjoy!